All right, we are here at 518 Viceroy Lane. We're going to be doing a repairability test today for Mr. Troy. This is the shingle that we are going to replace. Obviously, you can see the wind crease here, like many others. Now, in doing this, we're going to be as gentle as possible in lifting these up. You can see they're still stuck down. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna be self-filming, so I'm sorry if the angles aren't bad. Like I said, we're gonna do this as gentle as possible to try and keep the others intact. So there we go. All right, yeah, still tack down, tar strip. Now, obviously, getting them out isn't really as much as the difficult part as it is putting them back in without disrupting the shingle above it. If you tote that corner of it, then it loses its water shedding abilities. I have to move y'all just a hair. Get this thing out. And there we go. That's all the nails out in this strip. Now we're gonna have to move up and go to this next one here. And you can see all the granules already falling off just from me doing this. Like I said, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, getting my flat bar under there. But that should be all the nails right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this old shingle out. It's gone. Obviously, you can see that there's already some decking showing. This felt paper is actually ripped right here. That's before I even touched it. But coming in, you can see there's starting to be a crease right here in this shingle, right there in that shingle. And then next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on this new one. And again, we're gonna be as careful as possible when we put these nails back in, not to strike the edge of the shingle, preventing its water shedding abilities. So let's get into it. All right, got everything lined up now. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're gonna start from the top and work our way down. This is what I'm talking about right here. I've got to hold it up enough where I can get my hammer under without hitting this front edge. Now keep in mind, I'm being more careful than any other roofer would be right now. Drop the nails. Now this is a little bit of a slope. I believe it's about a 712. So you need to take that into consideration with how far you're coming up. Now you can see on some of these nails, they're already starting to rust. The water's already penetrated through. It's coming in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about with that front edge going up. I actually just hit it a little bit. Same thing with this rusted nail here. And there we go. So our repair is complete now. You can see, like most others, you got the wind creasing there and throughout the roof. I mean, it's all over here. It's right there. Lots of damage as far as everything goes. Here's our new shingle right here. You can see that the wind crease is starting here. It's starting here. Those granules all right there are loose. Starting in this corner, a little bit up top in this one as well. As you can see, this repairability has clearly failed. In repairing these shingles, all we're gonna do is create more damage to them. This is an old roof. It's pretty brittle. So thank you for your time.